Let's see if that's working again. Yay! Hello YouTube, you join me today. I'm a different man. I'm award winning once again. We're going to fit this Euro cylinder lock in the door. So I think if I've got this correct, that just goes round and round and round. So sounds good. I'll fit that in there. I remember seeing something on the internet saying give that a quarter turn. And this little bolt comes with it. Goes in here. Hopefully I've got that in the right position. Hang on, that feels about right. Jackpot, I think. Yeah. And that's a screw really, it's not a bolt. Right, there's my screwdriver. It's been a long day, YouTube. Yeah, I could use the ratchet, but I'm not going to. So, that goes in there. Let's try putting this handle on. So you've got the bar already in, and I'm going to fit it back on now, so hopefully that goes on there. Yes it does. That fits. These go on now. Oh, there's a problem. Oh, that's fine. Like I say, it's been a long day. Before I do anything, I want to make sure I can see if these two screws, which are here, they go from one end of the door handle to the other. They're concealed on one side, on this side. When I put them in, I want to be able to see if there. Come on, where are you? Because they're little buggers. Sorry, YouTube. There's the other one. There it is. Like I say, it's been a long day. There we go. That one's meeting that one. We're coming off the back of an awful lot of rain. It seems to be going in. Okay. That's stuff. Right. Let's try this one. Right. Oh, there it is. Too low. Okay, that's right. Feels right. Maybe. Come on. Come on. Yeah, that one's in. So I'm just screwing in the top one. You can't really see it from where you are. There's one thing I don't like about it. I like this screwdriver, but when you use it, this bit comes off. What's with that? And it seems to be a quite common thing these days with these screwdrivers. Perhaps I'm using it wrong. Please write something in the comments if I am. There we are, so that one's going on there. This one's a bit stiffer at the bottom. I guess that's okay, it feels like it's in the threads. I didn't really check to see if it was straight. Let's see if we can get it a bit straighter. There we go.
When are you checking if it works or not?
Sorry?
When are you checking if it works or not?
I'm going to check it now.
Okay.
So that comes up there. Oh, that's really quite stiff. I guess that's just brand new lock. Ah! It works, it won't turn. So I turned the key, and now look, that's nothing happening. Let's see if that's working again. Yay! It's not the smoothest operation at the moment, YouTube. People at home, but I guess, you know when you go into IKEA and they say like, oh, they press the sofa down, the Pohang chair like 10,000 times. That's what this needs. So tune in for the next thrilling episode of Open the Door Handle. But yeah, pull that up. That does work. Yeah.
Check the position now.
Fits like a glove.
Stiff glove.
Very tight glove. See you tomorrow.